Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through the process of uploading photos to Google Drive and sharing them with others in a designated folder. So, first ensure you are logged into your Google Drive account. Then navigate to Google Drive and click on New, followed by New Folder. Give your folder a title, for example I will go with Upload Photos, or keep it as Untitled Folder. Once created, double-click to enter the folder. Next, click New again, then File Upload to select the photos you wish to upload. At this point, select all the photos you want to upload and press on OK once finished. After uploading, right-click on the folder name and select Share. At this point, you need to change the link from Restricted to Anyone with the link, then click on Copy Link and then click on Done. After that, test the link in an incognito window to ensure it works as intended, with just pasting the link in the bar and, as you can see, the photo selected before has just appeared. And that's it. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on other topics.